Get ready now! Stand on your knees and hands, straighten your arms, lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest almost touches the floor, and then push yourself back. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand on your elbows and toes. Lie face down. Lift yourself on your forearms and toes. Keep your posture straight. Hold the position. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand in front of a chair. Stand a big step away in front of the chair. As you bend your knees, lower your hips, keep your arms straight, and grip the front edges of a chair. Lower your body until your arms form 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand in front of a wall. Put your hands against the wall, then take a huge step back and straighten your arms. Bring your chest closer to the wall by bending your elbows and lifting your heels. Then get back to the starting position. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Hold a weight in each hand. Wait while standing. Stand upright. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing the front, then raise the dumbbells alternately up to your shoulder level without bending the elbows. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Hold a weight in each hand. Wait while standing. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and lift the dumbbells to the opposite shoulder alternately by bending your elbows and keeping your upper arm still. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright. Stand upright, slightly jump to one side and punch the air while turning your torso, then quickly repeat on the other side. 40 seconds. It's almost done.